Welcome to French Country on a Budget. We hope you absolutely enjoy our high-end decor duped on a budget video. There is nothing better than getting that luxury, upscale look without the luxury price tag. It is our ultimate hope that these budget-friendly dupes will inspire you to tap into your own inner designer, get creative, and come up with some of your own unique designs. Happy crafting and designing! To create this elegant French country centerpiece dupe, you will need a long rectangular wooden tray, either thrifted or a basic dollar store find, white and light gray acrylic paint, a paintbrush or sanding sponge, 4 to 5 bundles of faux lavender stems, twine, a pack of plain smooth foam or plastic craft balls, and chinoiserie-style paper napkins or floral stickers for the decoupage. Start by prepping your wooden tray with a base coat of white paint. And once dry, lightly brush or dry wipe a small amount of gray paint along the edges and corners to create a distressed, weathered, high-end look. Next, create the chinoiserie spheres by separating the printed top layer of your floral napkins, cutting out the blue and white patterns, and using Mod Podge or school glue to smoothly adhere the paper pieces onto the craft balls until they are completely covered. While the spheres dry, divide your faux lavender into small, dense bundles and tightly wrap the base of the stems with twine, securing them with a knot or a dab of glue. Finally, assemble your centerpiece by placing the distressed tray on your surface, arranging the twine-wrapped lavender bundles to stand upright or fan out elegantly along the back and sides, and nestling the beautiful blue and white patterned spheres into the gaps in the center to complete a stunning, upscale look for just a fraction of the designer price. To recreate this elegant French country floral vase dupe, you will need a plain ceramic or glass vase from a thrift store or dollar store, a pack of faux flowers or plastic floral embellishments with prominent petals and leaves, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, matte white spray paint or acrylic chalk paint, light brown or umber acrylic paint, or antiquing wax, a small paintbrush, and a soft cloth or paper towel. Start by thoroughly cleaning and drying your vase to ensure all labels and residues are completely removed. Carefully detach the flower heads and leaves from their stems, choosing pieces that mimic a carved, sculptural look. Use your hot glue gun to arrange and securely adhere these floral elements onto the front of the vase, layering them to build up a realistic, three-dimensional relief pattern that resembles molded clay or carved stone. Once the glue has completely cooled and hardened, apply 2 to 3 even coats of matte white chalk paint or spray paint over the entire vase, making sure to thoroughly cover all the nooks and crannies of the attached flowers to create a cohesive, uniform surface. After the base coat is completely dry, mix a tiny amount of the light brown paint with water to create a thin wash, or use your antiquing wax and lightly brush it into the crevices and recessed areas of the floral design. Immediately use your soft cloth or paper towel to gently wipe away the excess wet paint from the raised surfaces, leaving the dark pigment only in the deep grooves to beautifully highlight the intricate details and give the entire piece an aged, expensive, and authentically weathered French country patina. To create this upscale French country medallion wall decor, you will need a thrifted square picture frame, a piece of heavy mat board or sturdy foam core cut to fit the frame, a standard dollar store round metal pizza pan, lightweight joint compound or plaster of Paris, a large ornate flourish or fleur-de-lis stencil, chalk paint or acrylic paint in antique white, cream, and metallic gold, a hot glue gun, and a few basic paintbrushes or makeup sponges. Begin by removing the glass and backing from your thrifted frame, Then thoroughly clean and lightly sand the frame before applying a base coat of cream or antique white chalk paint. Once the paint is dry, use a dry brushing technique with a tiny amount of metallic gold paint to catch the raised ornate carvings and edges of the frame to replicate a high-end vintage patina. Next, cut your mat board to perfectly fit the back opening of the frame and paint it with a textured linen or light tan shade to give it a high-end fabric matte look. Then set it aside to dry completely. To craft the dimensional medallion, apply your ornate stencil directly onto the center of the dollar store metal pizza pan, securing it with painter's tape, and use a putty knife to smooth a layer of joint compound over the stencil openings to about 1/8 of an inch thickness. Carefully lift the stencil straight up while the plaster is still wet to reveal the raised relief design, letting it dry completely overnight before gently sanding away any rough edges or imperfections. Paint the entire pizza pan medallion with an antique white base coat. Then use a diluted brown or gray paint wash, wiped away with a damp cloth to catch the crevices of the relief design, finishing with a light touch of gold gilding wax or gold paint on the highest points of the raised pattern to give it an authentic embossed appearance. Finally, assemble the wall plaque by using hot glue or heavy-duty construction adhesive to center and secure the painted medallion directly onto the front surface of the textured mat board, and then secure the entire mat board assembly into the back of your prepared frame for a stunning, layered piece of year-round boutique-style decor. To create this French country chinoiserie lamp dupe, you will need a thrifted ceramic or glass lamp base with a traditional ginger jar shape, white and cream chalk paint or multi-surface acrylic paint, a fine-tip paintbrush, blue acrylic paint, cobalt or navy, clear matte sealer or Mod Podge, a pleated neutral lampshade, a paintbrush, and optional dark wax or antiquing glaze for an aged look. Start by thoroughly cleaning the thrifted lamp base to remove any dust or oils. Then apply 2 to 3 even coats of the white or cream chalk paint as your base, allowing it to dry completely between layers to achieve a solid, porcelain-like background. Next, using a fine-tip paintbrush and your blue acrylic paint, carefully freehand traditional French floral motifs, delicate vines, and botanical patterns onto the base, mimicking the classic chinoiserie style seen in upscale boutiques. If you aren't comfortable freehanding, you can cut out floral designs from paper napkins, use Mod Podge to decoupage them onto the lamp, and blend the edges with paint. Once the painted designs are fully dry, lightly brush a small amount of dark wax or diluted brown acrylic paint into the crevices and wipe away the excess to give the lamp an authentic, aged vintage patina. Finish the base by sealing it with a clear matte or satin top coat to protect your work. And once dry, top the lamp with your pleated neutral fabric shade to perfectly capture that high-end, timeless French country aesthetic for a fraction of the boutique price. To replicate the French country Trumeau style mirror, you will need the following materials: 1 large plain wood-framed mirror, ideally thrifted, several decorative architectural appliques or furniture moldings made of resin or wood, found at thrift stores, craft shops, or online discount suppliers, wood glue or strong construction adhesive, painter's tape, a 2-in-1 primer, chalk paint in an antique white or cream shade, distress glaze or dark paste wax, gold gilding wax, rags, and a few small paintbrushes. Begin your project by cleaning the entire plain wooden frame of the thrifted mirror, ensuring it is free of dust and grease, and removing the back panel and glass if possible to make painting easier. Arrange your decorative appliques on the frame, a large detailed swathe centered at the top, and matching smaller rosettes in the upper corners are key to this look. Then permanently attach them using a strong wood glue, supporting them with painter's tape while they dry. Once the glue is completely cured, Apply a smooth base coat of 2-in-1 primer across the frame and the new appliques. After the primer dries, paint the entire structure with 2 coats of chalk paint, making sure to work the paint into all the crevices of the appliques for seamless coverage. When the paint is dry, apply a distress glaze or a dark paste wax over the surface with a rag, immediately wiping it away from the high points and leaving it primarily in the recesses and corners of the appliques to give the frame immediate depth and an aged look. For the final touch of luxury, use your finger or a small dry brush to gently apply gold gilding wax to the highest raised details of the appliques and the inner lip of the frame. Reassemble your mirror after all the layers are dry to complete your inexpensive yet upscale dupe. To recreate this high-end French country Mercury glass vase dupe, you will need a clear glass thrifted or dollar store vase with an elegant shape, mirror finish spray paint, like looking glass paint, a spray bottle filled with a 1-to-1 mix of water and white vinegar, metallic gold or antique bronze acrylic paint, a small sea sponge or stippling brush, a paper towel, and a clear, glossy sealer spray. Start by thoroughly cleaning the glass vase with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils or dust. Turn the vase upside down and lightly mist the interior with your vinegar water mixture, letting the beads of water sit on the glass. Immediately spray a thin, even coat of the mirror finish spray paint directly over the wet beads inside the vase. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes, then gently blot the interior with a crumpled paper towel to lift away the water droplets, which creates the beautiful, distressed, aged mercury glass spots. Repeat this misting, spraying, and blotting process 2 or 3 times until you achieve your desired opacity, ensuring you let it dry between layers. Once the interior is completely dry, focus on the exterior trim to give it that upscale French aesthetic. Dip your sea sponge into the metallic gold or bronze acrylic paint. Dab off the excess onto a paper towel, and lightly stipple the paint around the top rim and base of the vase to mimic a vintage, gilded metal trim. After the acrylic paint dries, finish the project by spraying a light coat of clear, glossy sealer over the exterior gilded parts to protect the finish, and you will have a stunning, timeless decor piece ready for year-round display. To create this French country-aged ceramic jug dupe, keeping the entire process and materials within a single paragraph. To recreate this high-end look on a budget, gather a smooth ceramic base vase, often found at thrift stores or dollar stores, off-white acrylic craft paint, light blue chalk paint, baking soda to add texture to the paint, a sponge brush or sea sponge, a smaller stiff bristled brush, dark brown wax or glaze, and a soft rag. Begin by preparing your ceramic base. Clean it thoroughly and wipe it down with rubbing alcohol to ensure a good bond. Apply a base coat of off-white paint mixed with a generous amount of baking soda to give it a gritty, aged finish, allowing it to dry. Once the base coat is dry, mix some of the light blue chalk paint with more baking soda and apply it using a dabbing motion with a sponge brush over most of the vase, allowing the off-white base to show through in patches. Before the blue paint dries completely, use the soft rag to lightly distress the blue paint, particularly on raised areas and edges, creating a worn effect. After this layer is totally dry, apply a dark brown wax or glaze with a stiff bristled brush, working it into any crevices or imperfections, and immediately wipe off most of the excess with a clean rag, leaving the dark pigment in the low points to mimic a centuries-old patina. Allow all layers to cure completely, and your Age Provence jug is ready to be filled with faux hydrangeas. To our loyal family of viewers, thank you so much for your incredible support, comments, and for sharing your own crafting journeys with us. You are the reason we love doing what we do. If you are new here, welcome to the family. We love taking high-end home decor and recreating it for a fraction of the price. To see more high-end decor dupes on a budget, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your likes and subscriptions help our channel grow so we can keep bringing you creative, budget-friendly ways to elevate your home. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a project.